When I was 16, I was sexually harassed in the workplace. So now, as a union rep, it is a passion of mine that we end sexual harassment. There was another colleague that just kept putting his arm around me, would always touch me, and I told him I felt very uncomfortable with it. And then he stopped for a bit and then he'd do it again. And when I went to management, it was like, oh, he's just being friendly. And it's not. He makes me feel uncomfortable. It's not just being friendly. I've asked him to stop and he's ignored that. And it really disappointed me that management didn't take it any further. And at the time, I didn't know where to turn. So now, as a union rep, I've done the sexual harassment training, I've gone to seminars, because it is a passion of mine that everyone should feel safe in the workplace, especially women in the workplace in this day and age. They deserve someone to be fighting their corner at all times. If somebody's behaviour makes you feel uncomfortable, it could be sexual harassment. Whether it's happening now, it's just happened, or it's happened some time ago, speak to your union rep. We are here, we will listen, and we will act.